This is the elevator to Canal Street, Chicago Union Station, Chicago, Illinois. I would usually go down, but the basement is locked. Here it is. It's Montgomery from 1991. This is the central elevator to Canal Street. Our clothespin works. We like that. It smells like hydraulic fluid in here. This is not dry powered. Opens on this side. Now I'll go back down to A. Now I'll go back down to A, and we'll switch to the other one. Door clothespin works. We like that. This one's much nicer than the other ones. They're much nicer. Older innovation. Where's the phone? Oh, it's jammed. Thankfully I have an iPhone in my pocket. Thankfully we have phones in our pockets. Stop yet. Oh. Takes forever to level. There it is again. There it goes in. That's it.